Hey, good morning, everybody. Chimo here, and we are back on the infected. I hope everybody got a good night's rest because we are going to be very, very busy today. I got a lot of stuff planned for us. We're still not making it through the night with our power when we're doing anything building wise, so I figured today what I'd like to do, we have the metals because we were melting down everything, and I love this glass door. We just look out and see our wonderful little barricade and see if anybody's sneaking up on us. But I got everything prepped. Oh, by the way, we got a bear last night. He came by to say hello. Now he's taking a little nap. But I got everything brought over to our tower base and all set up for us. So hopefully we won't have a real long episode. I know I'm going to apologize for the last few episodes that were really long. Couldn't resist. I just love playing this game. This is like one of my all-time favorites. Oh, sorry, Mike. No, you really like. You got one on the ground there. I ain't picking it up. Yeah, I will. I'll pick it up, Mike. Only because you dropped it there. Really, you guys? Already? I just looked out there and you guys weren't there. Oh, uh-oh, you puffed. I hate when they do that. Because this is a big enough area where he can bounce in. Well, okay. Don't want him breaking our glass door. Alright. Oh, you stocked that already, you little bugger. But I ended up doing a lot of work off camera because we needed a whole bunch of repair kits because he was completely out. So I made about 40 or 50 of them. That boss is going to come back. I know he is. Probably going to meet us over here. As you can see, I ghosted in a whole bunch of those. We're going to get that done today. But I also ghosted in our next row of solar panels. And yeah, I like zigzagging them when we do the solar panels. Those weren't exactly in line, but we'll live with it. But I'll zigzag them. They work fine. Oh, another chicken. We keep finding chickens around here. But I figure we'll build 5 more solar panels and 5 batteries. 5 more solar panels should net us another 200 power coming in. And this is dangerous what I'm about to do. Since we just had Big Boss come through. And hopefully I get the right line here. I want to get these all in order here. I don't want to skip one, otherwise we're sort of screwed. Where's the copper at? Yeah, there's the copper. What's that one missing? Come on up, little buddy. Cobalt. There's the one with the cobalt. How'd that one have cobalt already? No, we're missing copper again. So I have just the exact amount of materials over here to make 5 of these. Crouch down. I'm gonna hit the right one. Oh, let's try something. 1 aluminum. Anything else in these? Okay, this should be shy. Only 1 aluminum. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So that'll net us another 200 power. That's awesome. So we should be up to 1200 now. I want to double check on that because I thought last time we should have been a lot higher in power. Alright, it's climbing now. 1100. Here we go. Yeah, it should be 1280. We'll see. Alright, oh, I gotta grab the electronics. I need 25 electronics. I left them in here. I'm gonna kill that chicken. Gotta kill that chicken. Yeah, it should be 25. Oh, by the way, I did get rid of the other 5. Oh, thought something was missing here. I did get rid of the other 5. I moved all the empty crates out of here that were here. We gotta make more of these pumpkins. Those are cool looking. I got rid of the other 5 of the cement mixers that were here, and I made all the uh, clay. So that's full. That's full. And that's what we got left over from the clay. Along with, I brought extra clay over to the other base. How do you get in here? They're spawning inside here. That's the 3rd one. I'm not complaining though. Because that's eggs. But this is all the resources, these 4 boxes. But this, I'm going to take box at a time so we can move in case we have to. I don't want to get trapped in here. Because this will net us another 5,000 reserve. And we want that. Because I want that deer. I'm going to start making the MREs. Uh-oh. Oh, that has lead in it. Alright, I'm going to take a chance. Oh, that had glass. Alright, it should be an extra 5,000 power. We're up to 34,000 we can have. And, yep, 1280 power in. Beautiful. That had the glass. We can't carry all that, but we're going to take this out of here. This goes upstairs. That was extra glass that I made for up here. I'm still working on making us glass, but we do have a lot of glass, a lot of screws. I'm working on steel too. Oh, I put glass up here. I figured why leave it down there. I do have some glass down there though too. So that's glass. That's glass. This is going to be coming along soon. We'll be getting back to this, trust me. I want to get this up as soon as possible. But it did melt down a little bit more. There's all of our screws. Oh, that one's empty. I can get that out of here. But that's steel. We're going to need a lot more steel. I still got to work on lead and iron. And we got to get the rest of this floor done here. And that center. So we can go up more. This is looking pretty cool though. It's getting there. And I love the concrete floor here. And I haven't worked any more on the concrete here. Yeah, we got to get that rail done, I know. But the next on our agenda is that. Well, those are in a little bit, but that's okay. It'll do. It's just a secondary defense. And I left that part there open just in case, well, not just in case, for us to go in. And as you can see, the storage boxes there, those are all frags. Oh, and I forgot to grab the rope. And, oh, did I make sticks? No, I didn't make sticks. Oh, we got sticks upstairs. We'll take the sticks from here. Nothing on this floor. Got a lot of logs up here. I knew I had a thing of sticks here. take this. This will be gone in no time flat. Is this fully loaded? If not, well, it doesn't matter. We're going to take all these out of here anyways. Now it's fully loaded. Man, I don't think we can shoot that deer from here. No, he's moving too fast. I am pretty crappy with the bow anyways. Get stuck in the fence. Be easier for me to get you. Okay. Out the door here. That'll get us all the way around. Oh, we close that. We don't need to go through there anyways. Put this here. Grab the extra stick there. Pick them all up. Let's see if we got any more of them. I know we got another bundle over here. I'm coming for you, deer. Yeah, there's no way you'll catch that deer. Yeah, we're starting to get late in the season. You did it again, Mike. Oh, that one was empty. That was the one I was thinking of. Yeah, we don't have one up here. Ah, buggers. Okay. Uh-oh, man, he's running back and forth again. Oh, you know what? Let's get a little food in us. I did do a little canning, as you can see. Okay, I did a lot of canning. And, I mean, this raises our health a little bit. It makes us thirsty. Oh, I don't think I did any fruit salads. But, yeah, it'll make Mike happy if I do this. Then harvest this. And then we can eat this for water. There, get rid of the chicken. I mean, chicken's good protein, but let's put these eggs in here. Yeah, we got a few eggs. That's why we need to do something. Oh, we need to get that fridge going too. Yeah, baby. We get that fridge up and running and hook it up because I think, because with power in of 1280, right now we're only using 350, and that's the grinder, the oil pump, and oil extractor. And I mean, I'm not worried too much about the powerhouse or the water house. We only use that pretty much to fill up our thermos, which I think it's empty anyways. Because Mike waters the garden whenever the garden needs water, so that, I mean, there's no use in even leaving it on. So, I mean, that's perfect. We have 930 power available. Fridge only uses 75, so hooking that bad boy up. We'll probably do that next episode. We'll get the fridge hooked up and get those eggs in the fridge, and it stops the spoil timer on them. All right. Oh, rope. Got plenty of rope. Take this rope. What's my weight? Weight's fine. Get 3 things of rope. Want to get as many of those things done as possible. We got frags over there. Take the spear back out just in case. Because Boss Man puffed out and I'm waiting for Puffy to come back. Because I know he is going to be coming back. Come on, dear, get stuck. That's why we left a cart here. And this. Take and put this on the shelf for now. Oh, that's right, I don't have a back door here. Is there any other sticks here? No, we're going to have to make sticks. That's fine, we'll make them on the fly. Alright, give me some of the logs. And should have brought a box with us. Yeah, I gotta make another one for there, I know. Oh, yeah, let's get a box in here. I put the boxes inside here, and that was the wrong spot. Yep, that's the first box right here. Give me to put it in here anywhere? Yep, right there. Alright, how many do we have to upgrade to there? That's going to eat up most of this box anyway, so take that. Oh, man! It's not on. I gotta go back. Gotta get all these off me. That sucks. Okay, so I'm just gonna take enough off me so I can run. I forgot I was mining for lead. Okay, I can run now. I gotta go get the upgrade hammer. That's a bummer. I can't wait for them to make the Vambies to where they can swim. That'll make it even more fun. Oh, and I should have never put these up here. Upgrade hammer. Okay, you can have this back. I should have sharpened that. I'm going to have to probably do some more. Oh, yeah, I made more plastic again. Since we have so much oil. I figured, why not? Ain't going to hurt. And yeah, and I heard that raccoon. Fridge is good to store the livers in, too. Oh, seen something over there. Almost looked like something stuck on the bank. And I thought, oh, raccoon stuck. There's a liver for us. Okay, yeah. Lost track of where I was going. Okay. Oh, this is just too crazy, man. Too crazy. Yeah, I know. I'm tired too just from watching you run. Really? Wow. It really eats them up, don't it? Okay. I'm not running all the way around anymore. That's just too far. Way too far. I'm getting too old to run like that. Too old, too fat. What am I out of? I'm out of sticks. Okay. No problem. And I'm still too heavy? Give me one log. I gotta make some sticks real quick. That pick up just sticks. Man, what a rough day. Alright, we can move again. Okay, I guess I wasn't as prepared as I thought I was. Let's move this. Against the building there. That's fine. Give me some logs. Alright, let's get that fence section back in. So we are secure. Okay. Well, we'll take that one. And we will stock up a little bit here. Not too much. Wonder if Mikey's going to make it all the way back around over here. Before we are... Oh, I don't think we'll run out, though. What do we run out of again? Sticks, okay. Okay, do we have any frags on us? No. These frags are not going to go too far. That one's full, yeah. Move that a little closer because we're going to be walking really slow. Come on, hit it. There you go. We missed one? No. Alrighty. Now we can boogie. We can boogie, boogie, boogie. Wow, those things don't last. Don't last at all. That was one full box. I brought 4 full boxes over. That's a lot of frags. Okay, here we go again. Back to buildy buildies. I'm just hoping this isn't just a waste of materials doing this. Oh, that was Mike. Oh my god, I seen that thing flashing. And I thought for sure... Oh, we got 2 boxes left? Yeah. I thought for sure it was Vambi flashing in. Smoking in, whatever you want to call it. Oh, we're out of sticks again. Okay. Yep, there's none in there, so I'll throw these here. Let's go ahead and spike this up. Where are we starting right there? I would just take the box from here, that's fine. I'll walk a little slow for a minute, that's okay. Yeah, hopefully it'll work. Oh yeah, we can go a lot further. How many more? Yeah, I got a little bit more on me. Alright, guess we're gonna have to make some sticks. Because I think we might have one more box of frags left, and that's it. Actually, we can close this section. We'll move down a little bit more. Let's go ahead and put this inside. We won't be needing this for right now. Put it over here so I know where it's at. And I was going to put spikes. Yeah, oh yeah, I can put spikes in here too. But we'll get that later. At least we'll have the majority of this done. So they seem to be attacking from this side, probably because there's that vamp town. And this is the last box. And this is the fence section. Close this here. Sorry, Mike, we're closing you out. And we'll open it up here. When I had that open, boss attacked a couple times, and they were attacking in the back because it was a point of least resistance when that was open. So this is going to be their point of least resistance right now. Okay, we need 2 logs here. Get these things destroyed before Mike decides. Easy pickings. Make some quick stickies. Gotta get some firewood going too, because gotta get some windows in a tower base before winter sets in. Starts. Oh, really? How did you pop into the base? Give me that. Come on, give me that one. Probably got too much here in one spot, that's why. Had no place to go. Alright, harvest that. Get that last big one. These things sure don't go far. Tell you that much. Haha, Mike, got 3 more. Oh, I was going to say, wait a minute, I just did 4, but that one already had a log in it. Hey, Mike, do me a favor, go get those 2 sticks from inside, will you? Oh, it's going to be nice. A little bit more defended. Pretty soon be upgrading him. Big boss man. Can I grab that stick? Yes. Want that one? Yes. Yep, we're out of sticks. We only had the 2 that I just picked up. Okay. Okay, throw all 3 of these down this time instead of 2. Yeah, I went to do this one day. I threw a bunch of logs down before I could harvest them all. Mike did. That was awful kind of him. Yeah, see, here he is. He's like, oh man, you beat me to it. This is so time consuming. Actually, I'd rather do this all day long than make those repair kits. That's punishing. It's a shame we couldn't just give Mike the planks and nails. I would rather do that. I would make him 1,000 nails and put 1,000 planks in there. But, that would just be too simple. Gotta make it a little bit more difficult for you. It's a survival game. Well, sort of. It's a very easy survival game. Compared to some. Oh, can I get that one? That one's going to be fun to upgrade. Oops, so yeah. I'll pick up those last ones. Okay, oh, thought he threw them on the ground over there. I was going to say, wait a minute. You got log cases over here empty and you're throwing them on the ground. Now the good thing is we can run along top of these things if we want to fight. We got logs right out of reach. Can we reach them? Oh my god! If I would have known that, I wouldn't have been running around like this. That's even better. Alright, that's his barbed wire, that's his log cart. Oh, I love that. Oh, come on. Oh, highlight, baby, highlight. Except do I really need that one? I got this one here. It highlighted. Okay, can I... Oh my god, that is awesome. Am I out now? No, I still got some. Okay, and you highlight that other one? Wrong one. Come on, register. And you're out. You got our roadshow. Oh, I am so glad these spikes don't hurt. I'm gonna try and get that. It doesn't matter. I just get these. I was gonna say get that front one. But we'll just work from here. We don't have enough shards on us to get all the way. Oh, we're out. Yeah. Oh, there's a few more in the box though. This will get maybe. Let's see. We'll get 2 more. So we're probably gonna lose a few of these when the Vambies attack. Can we get one more? One more. Come on, one more. Oh well. Oh, that took all the rest of them. All right. Well, it is what it is. Okay, and grab the fence section. Put that back in place. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, I'm going to have it back a little bit. Because of the spike walls. It's alright, they can't get through it. Oh well, that's fine. I'll deal with it. Alright, let's put this box away. And we can go this way. Alright, that's an empty. I got a few sticks left over. Alright, we got those other 2 there. Okay, that's cool. Alrighty. We just need some shards for this around here to there. Oh, excuse me, hiccups. And then we got all that done. And how is the power situation? Are we fully charged? We are fully charged. Oh, let's grab the electrical parts. They were here. We want that. And I think we had some wire in here, over here. And we can leave this here. I don't want this. I'm just going off the top of my head on what we need. Yeah, give me some cobalt. No. Clicked the wrong button. Do we have any copper sitting here? Of course we do. Give me some copper. Oh, we're going to have to come back anyways. Because I'm going to need some iron. We're going to hook up a fridge. Oh, let me grab a little bit of iron though. Because we have a lot of iron here since I got rid of those. And there's a good chunk of iron here. Oh, nope. We're going to take whatever we can carry. You a knucklehead? Yes, you are. We're going to take all the iron we can carry. This is how you do it, baby. Yeah. Why do it the silly way when you can do it the smart way? We load up the boxes and use the cart and then load up our body with whatever we can carry. Because these empties don't need to be sitting here when we can fill them up with juicy, juicy metals. Because I think it's 25 iron we need over there. And I don't know, I think we're going to need some copper too. We need cobalt for other things, but I know we need some copper. We did grab some cobalt. Is that on there? Come on, quit being picky. Grab a little bit more copper. Okay, grab a couple cobalts. I really should put one of each one of these shelves over there. So, this thing turned me around. I hate when it does that. So when we go to build anything, we can have the metals already there. Actually, it's not a bad idea. I like that idea. So we don't have to run all the way over to the tower base. But where could we put it? Oh, right there. Look at that. That is the perfect spot. We can put all the shelving units there. But this is what we need. We got to, look at that. There's the 10 electronics, 3 copper, and it's 25. And then there is a box here. This is the box for the fridge. And did I put the doohickey things in? Oh yeah, I buried it down there. Oh crap, it needs screws. And there should be another one. I did these a long time ago too. Can I get to that? Yeah, I can. Needs iron, copper, and screws. Okay. Awesome. Is this off? Oh, it's full. That ain't gonna hold it. Alright, we got, let me empty this out. Electrical, oh, we did have wire over here, I didn't know that. Well, we got extra electrical left over. I don't know how that happened. And while I'm thinking about it, before I forget, let's go ahead and ghost that in storage. We need 1 iron. I'm just going to put them sideways for right now. 1 iron. Probably should use more than 1, but for now. 1 copper. Yeah, we'll probably do more than 1 iron. 1 aluminum. Whoops. This way, whenever we got a little bit of metal, we can do that. 1 cobalt. Plus, it'll make Mike happy. He'll have to go log it again. You know how unhappy he gets? 1 lead. I really don't need lead, but well, you know, we're doing it. We might as well do it. And 1 steel. Oops. Storage. That's good for now. That gives us 6 of them, and we can put them on top of each other. And if we have room, I might do more than 1 iron, because we definitely need iron. Let's see. What did this need? Screws. We have screws in here in the odds and ends. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, odds and ends. Put this in there. I know we have a place for feathers, but I'm in a hurry. Oh, that still needs iron. And you need screws? No. Alright, iron. Iron Man does whatever an iron can. Give me a little later. There you go. Want this built first. Oh yeah. The Frigimitator. Oh, those need iron. Want to get all that built so in case we need any more, we'll have to go back for it. Alright, that's built. Uh-oh. Sorry about that sneeze. It just came on me. Okay, alright. We're gonna have a Frigimitator. Oh yeah. Frigimitator. Oh, power's off on the Frigimitator. Boy, we brought all that over here for nothing. I wasn't sure what it needed, so and I could have looked it up, but what else we got in there? Okay, I brought over too much. Electronics. And I'm going to reorganize this wall here a little bit better because it's sort of funky 3 high. 2 high, 2 high is sort of funky too, but it is what it is, right? Okay, so we got to go from here to here, here, all the way around. Let's see, where is that little... where's it at? Is that it? No, this is wooden foundation. Crouch. Can you see it? We built it. Where's it at? What the hell? Oh. Oh, it's right there. Where? It keeps lighting up, but that's what happens when you put them really close to the ground. There it is. I didn't even see it, to tell you the truth. It just said electric relay, so... Oh, am I stuck? I'm just hoping it's the right one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's not lighting up. Okay, I didn't see it light up for the fridge, but obviously it did because... Uh-oh. Oh, we gotta turn it on. Junction box. Oh, we didn't name it yet. You know, it really cracks me up. It says fridge right here, but you still have to name it. Isn't that weird? Okay, we'll see if it makes it through the night. And then we can take all of our eggs before they all spoil. Now, and it says on. Now, we can't click it in there, unfortunately. You have to drag them in, and these little dots that you see here, those are the specific spots. As you can see on this one, it says it's got 4 hours, 4 minutes. Put it in there. 4 hours, 4 minutes, 28 seconds. But the timer has stopped. Where the timer still clicks in my inventory, it stops in the fridge. It'll start back up once you pull it out of the fridge. Whoops. Yeah, it's so hard to find. I usually get right on top of the fridge when I get into the fridge. But you get 20 slots in the fridge and that's it. And then this way, whenever we get livers, we can go ahead and start making the MREs. And if we make like the onion soups, like I have all these bowls here I made. We can make the onion soups. I wish they stacked. And we can put the onion soups in there. But now we have a fridge. Now we definitely have to start. Oh man, they're stepping up one by one. That one's got to be turned around because you can't see the sticker. But we definitely have to keep an eye on power and start putting in more batteries. We're bringing in enough power during the day to charge the batteries we have. So every so often we'll put in another solar panel, 1 or 2 panels, but we need to start adding more and more batteries. So the sun will keep charging because we have to keep the refrigerator going. Now we can turn off, say like the grinder. Turn the grinder off, that saves us power. Because right now, because of the storm, we're bringing in 157, but it's slowly dropping, but we're pulling out 425. We can even turn the oil pump off, or the oil extractor. Turn the oil extractor, and that drops us down. So, I mean, it's our choice. The cement mixers aren't being used, so we can leave that off. We can just turn that on when we need it. But without it, as you can see, power out, turn the cement on, still has no effect. But our power in is going to go to 0 soon. But we're still doing good on power. I'll see how it goes through the night. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I might go ahead and build these things on my own and get them in place because it's such a pain in the butt to try and line them up. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and a subscribe if you're new. And ring that bell icon so when I upload, you'll know when I upload. And you can also share it with your friends if you like. It'll help me out to get some more subscribers. And as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play. And I'll see you guys on the next Infected. This is Gmo signing out for now, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alrighty, bye-bye for now.